Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we are looking to find the value of x in the equation 2a is equal to the square root of 2x. We're going to use that given that a is equal to 5 root 2. So the easiest thing to do here is just to plug in 5 root 2 where we see a. So 2a is equal to 2 times 5 root 2, and that is equal to the square root of 2x. So distributing here, we have 2 times 5 is 10 root 2. And this is equal to the square root of 2x we can think of as the square root of 2 times the square root of x. Okay, if you have two things under the square root that are multiplied by each other, you can separate them and say, okay, for the square root of their product, that's the square root of one times the square root of the other. Okay, so this is square root of 2 times the square root of x. Okay, if you think of this as the square root of 36 is equal to the square root of 9 times 4, well, the square root of 36 is 6, and this is equal to the square root of 9 times the square root of 4, which is equal to 3 times 2, which is equal to 6. So 6 is equal to 6. That's just one example to sort of visualize what we're getting at here. So we have 10 root 2 is equal to the square root of 2 times the square root of x. So we divide both sides by the square root of 2. These cancel, and these cancel, so the square root of root 2 divided by itself is 1. We get 10 is equal to the square root of x, and we can square both sides. 10 squared is 100. And what is the square root of x squared? Well, the square root of anything squared is just the thing itself. So we're left with x is equal to 100, and we're actually looking for the value of x, so our final answer is going to be 100. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.